Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I am Professor Mr. Doi and I am making this video on my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Yanmar Stadium Nagai. One of the most famous sports facilities in Osaka in Nagai Track and Field Stadium. Its official name is Yanmar Stadium Nagai. It is located in Higashisumiyoshi Ward inside of the large Nagai Park. The stadium is surrounded by green trees which make it a good place to feel both the city and nature. It is easy to visit and welcoming for foreign visitors who come to Osaka for the first time. This stadium is a full-scale track and field stadium that meets international standards. It has hosted many important events in Japan and from other countries. In 2007, it was a main venue for the World Athletic Championships in Osaka, which is still an important memory for the city. The stadium is also a home stadium of Cerezo Osaka, a J-League soccer team that many local people support. On match days, fans who love soccer gather to cheer loudly. In recent years, the stadium has been improved to make it more comfortable to use. New screens and sound systems were added to help visitors enjoy events more. Because of this, the stadium is now used not only for sports but also for concerts and local events. There are events which bring people from different countries together, including live shows by international artists. Near the stadium, there are places to visit such as Nagai Botanical Garden and Osaka Museum Natural History, which are easy to reach on foot. This makes it possible to enjoy sports, culture, and nature in one day. Nagai Track and Field Stadium is not only a place to watch sports, but also a place to experience modern Osaka, which many foreign visitors will enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.